पैराग्राफ नंबर 5 ट्रांसलेशन करनी है इसके हमने Patriotism, therefore, is not just a feeling, it is a life spirit that continuously inspires and guides a nation. In words of S.W. Scott, a man devoid of patriotic spirit is like the one who breathes the man with soul so dead, who never to himself hath said, This is my own, my native land. Words meaning देखते हैं feeling, एहसास, life spirit, जिंदा जज्बा, जिंदा जोश, continuously, लगातार, inspire, उभारना, जज्बा देना, void, रहनुमाई करना, devoid, महरूम, breath, सांस लेना, native land, अपनी सरजमीन, अपना वतन. Patriotism, therefore, is not just a feeling. इसलिए हुब्बुल वतनी महज एक एहसास ही नहीं, it is a life spirit that continuously inspires and guides a nation. ये एक जिंदा जोश बुलबुला है जो एक कौम में मुसलसल जोश पैदा करता रहता है और उनकी रहनुमाई करता है. In words of S.W. Scott, a man devoid of patriotic spirit is like the one who S.W. Scott के अल्फाज में एक आदमी जो जज्बे हुब्बुल वतनी से महरूम है उस आदमी की तरह है. Breathes there the man with soul so dead, who never to himself hath said, This is my own, my native land. जो सांस तो लेता है लेकिन उसकी रूह इस कदर मर चुकी है, मुर्दा हो चुकी है कि उसने खुद से कभी ये नहीं कहा कि ये मेरा अपना वतन है, ये मेरी अपनी अर्ज़ सरजमीन है. इसलिए हुब्बुल वतनी एक एहसास ही नहीं बल्कि एक जिंदा जोश बुलबुला है जो एक कौम में मुसलसल जोश पैदा करता रहता है और उनकी रहनुमाई करता है. S.W. स्कॉट के अल्फाज में एक आदमी जो जज्बे हुब्बुल वतनी से महरूम है उस आदमी की तरह है जो सांस तो लेता है लेकिन उसकी रूह इस कदर मुर्दा हो चुकी है कि उसने खुद से कभी ये नहीं कहा कि ये मेरा अपना वतन है, मेरी अपनी अर्ज़ सरजमीन है. हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे. Question number 1. How do you personally define patriotism? Can you provide an example from your own life or community that illustrates your definition? Answer. Patriotism is love and loyalty toward one's country and its people. In our community, people help each other during crises like floods, earthquakes, and wars. Many have even sacrificed their lives to protect our homeland from terrorism. Question number 2. Why do you think Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's efforts were crucial in securing a separate homeland for the Muslim? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's efforts were very crucial in securing a separate homeland for the Muslim of the subcontinent. He helped them to secure independent country to protect their values and culture. Question number 3. Why do you think the soldiers mentioned in the text are considered heroes? What qualities do they show? The soldiers mentioned in the text are considered heroes for sacrificing their lives to protect their country. They showed the qualities of dedication, bravery, and unwavering loyalty to their homeland. Question number 4. How can the spirit of patriotism be maintained and fostered in today's society where many people are more connected globally and locally? Provide examples of modern acts of patriotism. Answer. We can show patriotism by promoting peace and respecting international laws. This will reflect well on Pakistan, supporting local businesses and using local products also show our love for country. Question number 5. The text includes a quote from S.W. Scott about patriotic spirit. What do you think S.W. Scott means by a man devoid of patriotic spirit? Do you agree or disagree with this perspective? Wow. Why? S.W. Scott suggests that a person without patriotic spirit has a dead soul. A true patriotic feels a strong connection, often thinking, This is my own, my native land. Without this bond, one loses a vital sense of belonging and responsibility. Question number 6. How can schools teach students about patriotism? Why is it important for students to learn about it? Answer. Schools can teach patriotism through lessons on Pakistan's history, national heroes, and the events like the Independence Day. Learning patriotism is important for students as it makes them active and responsible citizens. Question number 7. you think of a small act of patriotism that someone could do every day? How does this help to the country? Planting trees is a simple act of patriotism. One can do this daily by watering and protecting plants, encouraging others to plant trees, and gifting plants to others to make the country green and prosperous. Question number 8. What did you learn about patriotism from this text? I learned that patriotism means loving and protecting your country. True patriots make sacrifice for their country, safety, and honor. Patriotism unites people and keeps the strong nation. Thank you.